So the Bhakti Yoga Retreat is an initiative to bring people together and share with them the most amazing ancient teachings that we have cultivated from India and Bhakti and make it applicable for this modern day and age.
Yeah, the amazing thing about Bhakti Yoga is the varieties of things that we can offer to people. From cooking classes to meditation to yoga to wisdom talks. There is so much variety and so much knowledge in this ancient tradition that our main idea is to share that so people can live with that in their daily life.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Being able to take what you want without feeling any kind of judgment about your own journey or where you come from, or like where you're at in your own path. So it's been really beautiful because it's just total acceptance.
Food was amazing, of course, but that's all the love that's put into everything that they do. It's just incredible and it's beautiful to be a part of. So thank you. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Hare Krishna.